It's big. It is a big wreck. I wasn't fully ready for just how large it was. And when it came up on sonar, it really stood out. And there was a very strong current, and visibility was quite poor. There was so much particulate matter that was just in the water. And we have relatively small viewports because it's a full ocean depth submersible. But eventually got properly oriented and was able to see some of the detail on the bow. And eventually I got to the bow and saw it. The fore crane that's in the front looks very menacing, and I was very, very cautious of that. So I tried to keep my distance, but it was just extraordinary just to see it all. And the most amazing moment came when I was going along the side of the Titanic, and the bright lights of the submersible, the first time when they reflected off of a portal and came right back, it was like the ship was winking at me. It was really amazing.